Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best lightweight lawn mowers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many lightweight lawn mowers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each lightweight lawn mowers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a lightweight lawn mower. First, think about the mower's weight and design, as a truly lightweight model should be easy to push, carry, and store. Next, check the cutting width and blade quality to ensure it fits your lawn size and gives a clean, even cut. Battery life or fuel efficiency is also important for uninterrupted mowing sessions. Pay attention to build materials like durable plastic or corrosion-resistant metal for longer life. Comfort features such as adjustable handles and easy start systems make mowing more convenient. Finally, consider noise levels, maintenance needs, and safety features to ensure a smooth experience. A good lightweight mower should save time and effort without compromising performance. Choose wisely based on your yard size and personal comfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.